Welcome to Chachan's Playtime. Today I'm gonna be a farmer.
You're gonna be a farmer?
Yeah, and today we're gonna play with my
You got
animal
farm
friends.
animals. Ooh, you have a lot of animals.
Yeah.
You got this set up and you got another setup over here.
Yep.
Okay, well, you ready to play?
Yeah.
All right, let's do this in 3, 2, 1, go! Hello, friends. I am your farmer today. Today I'm gonna go and visit my farmer friend. Let's walk over there. Hey, farmer.
Hey,
What you gonna do today?
nothing. I'm just gonna be out
You're
here.
gonna be out here, and are you gonna feed your horse?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Look
Well,
at my food and look at my doggy.
you have a dog?
Yeah.
What's his name?
Bingo.
Bingo.
Yeah, even also
Even also, why is your Bingo laying down?
because he's tired.
He's tired. Okay. Well, I got animals too. I got a horse. I got a pig, a chicken, and a cow. Can you show me your animals?
Yeah, I have a dog.
Oh, I saw your dog. Ooh, you have a dog.
Yeah,
You have a goose,
yeah, even a chicken,
a chicken,
and a rooster,
and a rooster. Ooh, I see you have a horse right here.
and another horse, and another horse, and another horse.
Ooh, you have another horse right here. You got bullseye too?
Yeah.
Ooh. Oh, you have a pig.
Yep.
You have a goat.
And a turtle.
You have a toro.
Yep.
And you got some. What do you have right there?
Bighorn sheep.
Bighorn sheep.
Yeah, even
A lamb.
a lamb and a goat.
Okay, well, can you show me what your toys over here do?
Yeah.
Okay, here, you're this guy right there. Okay,
Look it.
all right, show me what you could do with your farm animals.
To what?
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Oh, a horse.
And on his farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O. That's right, with a moo-moo here, a moo-moo there. Here,
Well, what do you have over here?
everywhere. Old MacDonald
Cow and
had
a
farm,
chicken.
Cow and a chicken.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Well, your pig wants to go outside for a walk. What about your horse?
He does.
He does too?
Yeah.
Oh, he wants to say hi to the camera. The horse too? Ooh. I think my neighbor friend wants to play with you. Hello, horse.
Hello.
You wanna race me?
Yeah.
All right, follow me.
Where are you going?
Ooh, I'm gonna say hi to the cow. Hello, cow. How come you're not free? Oh, I'm gonna go out too. Let's open the door so the horse, the cow can get out.
Even the chicken.
Yeah. The
Chicky. Hi, friend.
the chicken's gonna go. Ooh, all the animals are free. They're outside enjoying. They're playing.
Yep. Let this one come out.
Oh, this one could do some jumping. Watch. Let's open the door.
Watch
Oh,
this.
he's gonna jump over that. Well, let's get this guy out of the way.
Yep. He can do one on the top.
You could do that.
Yeah.
Okay,
Watch.
let's see. Careful, don't knock it. Woo-hoo. Ooh, he made it. Woohoo! Just. Ooh, I think the animals are hungry. Are you
Yeah.
gonna feed them?
Yeah.
Where are you gonna feed them?
I'm gonna feed this guy some hay.
Hey.
Yeah.
Okay.
He's full now.
He's full.
Yeah.
Are these animals gonna go outside and play?
Yeah. He wants.
Okay, I'll take this guy out.
Okay.
Woo! We're out here with my friends. I'm gonna take the toro. They're all coming out to play.
This one is so mad.
Who's mad?
The dog.
The toro looks mad?
Yeah.
Okay, here comes the piggy. Oh, the horse fell down.
Yeah, he hurt him.
Hey, the chicken laid 1, 2, 3, 4, 5
Yeah.
eggs in her nest.
Ooh, they're over here. I found the eggs. They're over here.
Yeah, and this one is attacking this horse
Why?
because he's mad.
He's mad.
Yeah, because this guy fight him last night.
You fought him last night?
Yeah, I remember.
Yeah.
Yeah, watch.
They're giving a hug.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, you're missing the toro over here. Bring the toro, and then we got the pig too. Okay, look.
Yep.
They're in line because they're ready to go in.
Yep.
Oh. Okay, well, the ranchers are going back inside the house too. Okay?
It's not in bed.
Don't forget your toro right there.
Oopsie.
Oopsie.
He sleeps right there.
Okay, last one, the pig. We got the pig going.
Going, going, going.
Oink, 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 oink. Which one's your favorite farm animal?
Horse.
Which one?
Horse.
The horse?
Yeah.
Okay. Mine is the I don't know. I think is the goat.
I can do that.
You can do it?
Yeah.
Okay, well, everybody's back in their house. Close the door before they get out. Close the door.
Hurry, this one is trying to get out.
Go, close it. Ooh, you did it right on time. Because they were gonna escape.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, well, all the animals are back into their safe house. We got the cow, we got the chicken guarding the eggs, the pig, a horse.
And they're hungry.
Oh no, the door's open again. Close them. Oh no, they almost escaped. Woo, that was a close one.
They're hungry.
They're hungry. Well, they're gonna eat breakfast tomorrow. What do you got there? That's the food.
Yeah.
That's grain. That's corn.
Yep.
So, well, tomorrow morning you feed on corn, okay? Okay. All right, Chachan. Ready to go home?
Yeah.
Go get some sleep and rest, and tomorrow we'll play again. Okay?
Okay.
All right, let's go.
Okay. Thanks for watching. Bye.